QuickBooks or Sage? Two giants in accounting software. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, QuickBooks, easy accounting for small business. And on the right, Sage, powerful financials built for growth. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real differences. Each category earns points. At the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let me show you a quick mind map of the categories we'll compare. We're looking at price, reporting and analytics, integration and automation, inventory and project tracking, usability and dashboard, scalability, and security and compliance. Got all that? Cool, let's go through each one, step by step. Let's kick things off with price, because, come on, who doesn't care about budget? QuickBooks actually starts way cheaper. You can get entry options for about $20 a month, and they love their discounted intro rates. But a quick heads up, the price does climb fast once you want more advanced features. Sage, on the other hand, comes in hot at a higher entry price, around $66 a month if you break down the annual plans. It does offer cool volume discounts and more features with those plans, but honestly, their pricing tiers can get confusing with all the add-ons. So if you're thinking, I want to save money and keep things simple, QuickBooks takes this round. Now let's talk reporting and analytics. QuickBooks gives you customizable templates and, automated financial statements, which is great for most small businesses. But if you're like a bigger outfit and want those crazy complex reports or batch reporting options, you're going to wish it did more. Sage basically goes wild here with over 150 industry-specific reports, real-time dashboards, and those super advanced analytics, especially if you get on Sage Intact. Yes, there's a bit of a learning curve to customize all that, but the depth, it's unbeatable. So Sage actually wins on this front. All right, moving on to integration and automation. QuickBooks plays nice with tons of other apps, including Microsoft Dynamics 365, and their AI-powered Intuit Assist is actually pretty snazzy. But once your business processes get complicated, the automation is kinda limited. Sage swoops in with ERP-grade integrations, advanced workflow automation, and their own AI assistant, Sage Copilot. Oh, and here's something cool. Most plans support unlimited users, which is awesome if you have a big team. Okay, it might need some IT help if you go deep into ERP integrations, but the flexibility is next level. Sage takes this category. Quick break. Did you know Sage 50 can handle unlimited users under one plan? Seriously, that's a lifesaver if you've got a massive accounting team. Just a fun fact before we wrap up. Now, if inventory and tracking projects is your thing, QuickBooks keeps it basic, but, it doesn't really shine here if you've got complicated needs or multiple companies. If you upgrade your QuickBooks plan, you get job costing, but it's still kind of simple. Sage, though, is made for folks who need serialized tracking, assembly management, forecasting, the works. If you're in construction or manufacturing, this is honestly a big deal. Sure, some small businesses might not need every bell and whistle, but for those who do, Sage is clearly the better choice. Let's chat about usability and dashboards, because if an app isn't easy to use, what's the point? QuickBooks really wins here. It's super intuitive and streamlined for people just getting started. The downside is you lose some detail if your operations get advanced. Sage is, packed with detail on its dashboard, giving you tons of information, but honestly, it can feel overwhelming, especially if you're new to accounting software. So if you want easy, that's QuickBooks territory. All right, let's talk scalability. If you're a freelancer, startup, or small business, QuickBooks is just right, simple and effective. But if you get into multi-entity consolidations, that's a bit of a stretch for QuickBooks. Sage goes full throttle here. Multi-company, multi-currency, role-based permissions, all the ERP-grade stuff you might eventually need as you grow. It might be a bit much for a tiny team, but if you're planning for growth, Sage absolutely nails scalability. Last up, security and compliance. So honestly, both QuickBooks and Sage pack serious punch when it comes to keeping your data safe. QuickBooks uses Intuit's huge security infrastructure, and it's trusted by millions. It does fall short with limited role-based permissions for really granular control, but for most, it's fine. Sage, meanwhile, brings in comprehensive compliance tools and audit trails, especially in premium plans. Sometimes specialized compliance might need manual setup, though. This one's pretty even, so I'd say it's a tie. So, before the final verdict, let's quickly look at our radar chart. You can literally see where QuickBooks shines, price and usability, and where Sage really stretches out, especially in reporting, scalability, and integration. This visual kind of sums up all the strengths and quirks we've just covered. See the shape? Yeah, Sage's coverage is just broader. So here's my honest take. QuickBooks is perfect if you're running a small biz, freelancing, or just want something easy and affordable. But if you know your company's about to grow, or you need advanced reporting, inventory management, or ERP-level features, Sage is absolutely the way to go. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.